Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Nicole, your host. Does your business provide advice or expertise in a specific field? Even the most thorough and experienced professional will make errors, and unfortunately, clients usually aren't too understanding of mistakes, especially if it costs them considerable time and money. In today's video, I'm going to explain how professional liability works and why certain professionals need it. Stay tuned. Professional liability insurance is also known as Errors and Omissions insurance, or E&O for short. It's also referred to as medical malpractice insurance. It just depends on the profession, and it can help protect you and your business against actual or alleged negligence that may occur while providing your professional services. These claims can vary from giving incorrect advice or omitting a piece of information to failing to deliver your service within a desired time frame. Professional liability coverage is useful for an array of business types throughout various industries. Some examples include engineers or designers that are sued by a client for misinterpreting renderings or miscalculating specs, or a project manager that are sued for project delays and cost overruns, a massage therapist being sued by a client for purported tissue damage following a massage, and a medical billing employee sued for incorrectly coding a medical procedure on an insurance form. These are just a handful of scenarios in which professional liability insurance could help cover expenses and damages resulting from the negligence claim. Your professional liability policy will also provide legal defense costs when a covered claim is reported, which could save you tens of thousands in just legal fees alone. So regardless of business type, size, or industry, if your organization is sued, you could face significant costs for a legal defense, whether or not you have committed any wrongdoing. The majority of E&O policies are written on a claims-made basis. This is just fancy insurance lingo that means that in order to get your insurance benefits in a claim, your professional liability policy must be active when an alleged mistake occurs and when the claim is actually filed. A claims-made policy's coverage kicks in only when you file a claim during the policy period. Your policy will also have a retroactive date, which confirms the policy's original inception date. So for instance, say your retroactive date is 2/1/15. That means you've had professional liability coverage since that date. However, if the policy lapses for any reason, you will lose that retroactive date, and any claims that may arise during the time the policy was actually in force will not be covered. In other words, continuous coverage is key if you don't want to pay out-of-pocket expenses in a lawsuit. So don't let your policy lapse. So how much coverage will you need? The basic or standard amount of coverage is typically $1 million, but depending on the size of your business and your scope of services, you may need higher limits of $5 million or maybe even higher at $10 million. Premiums for E&O policies will also depend on your industry type, the size of your business, and the amount of coverage you actually need. Not every industry requires professional liability coverage. A knowledgeable and trusted agent can help you determine if your business has an E&O exposure and also the right amount of coverage that you may need. You can click the link below this video to get in touch with one of our agents, or you can leave any of your comments or questions in the box below as well. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.